Hey lovers, join me as I go make a simple hairstyle. So first things, I need to have my breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having milk, cocoa powder, just plain, and then water. You should know it's hot water now. So I stir and allow it dissolve. Then I'm gonna be pairing this with my fried potatoes. And I just wanted this breakfast to be simple and easy because I don't want to be running up and down, you know now. So quickly after my meal, I thank God for providing me with this food. I quickly clear my table and face other things I'm supposed to do, like brushing my teeth. So guys, after brushing my teeth, this is me trying to brush my teeth. When I'm done brushing my teeth, I take my shower and then I do a simple skincare routine. At this point, I'm like, what hairstyle am I gonna make? Because I want it to be in a jiffy. Like, I don't want to spend so much time making my hair. So this is me all dressed up, and I begin to pack stuffs I'm gonna be needing, like my hair cream, my power bank, my charger, combs, cutting comb, you know now, all those stuffs that we use in making our hair. So finally, I had to call the woman to know if she's out already. So to let her also know that I'm coming. When I'm done, I make the final packing and the final touches, and off I go. When I got to the salon, my hairdresser was renovating her shop. So it took a while before she started making my hair. Guys, I made all back, like all back, so quick and easy. Sometimes I wish I can make hair myself, like I can make my hair myself. When I see videos of people who make hair by themselves, I am so captivated. I decided before making this hair that I'm not gonna sit for long hours. Not be me go come sit down for hours because I won't look good, because I won't make hair. So today I decided say now all back I will make. So guys, look at the hair looking giving already. This hair is looking beautiful. Simple things are beautiful, guys. So I'm all done and this is the hair. All right, see you guys.